At Apple, we believe the way to make a truly great system is design both the hardware and the software and continually innovate them together. With Lion, we've rethought some of the basic things we've used from the very beginning of a graphic operating system, things like clicking and scrolling and saving of files. But now we can take advantage of the new, faster, more powerful hardware to completely change the experience of using a personal computer. We think Lion sets the standard for what a state-of-the-art desktop operating system can be.
Lion is so exciting because we were able to really step back and rethink the desktop user experience. And in the process, we drew some inspiration from the iPad. One key area is gestures. No company has invested more expertise in perfecting gestures than Apple. In Lion, we were able to take everything we've learned and integrate it deeply into the user experience. The results are profound. You just push the content the way you want it to go. If you want to move between pages, just swipe. The user interface tracks your motions in real time. Your interaction with a computer has never been so direct. People love the full screen experience of applications like iPhoto. With Lion, we built full screen support right into the operating system, so you can now get immersed in full screen while reading your email, browsing the web in Safari, or paging through a document. With the great power of the Mac, users can keep a lot of activities going at once. Multiple windows, full screen apps, even multiple desktops. And we brought them together in a simpler and much more powerful way. We call it Mission Control. With a swipe of your fingers, Mission Control evokes a bird's eye view of everything happening on your Mac and makes switching between activities easier than ever. The Mac has always been a fantastic platform for running lots of apps. And now with Launchpad, finding, organizing, and launching your apps is simpler than ever. You no longer need to search your system for a particular app. With Launchpad, they're all right there, front and center. You can rearrange them or group them in folders. And when you see the one you're looking for, launch with a single click. Of course, the best way to buy apps is with the new Mac App Store. The App Store revolutionized the way you discover and download applications for mobile devices. With the Mac App Store, we bring the same convenience, ease of use, and immediate gratification to the Mac. And the Mac App Store is the only place to go to download Lion. One of the most fundamental changes is also one of the simplest: saving your files. Now, with autosave in Lion, you don't have to worry about saving anymore. While you work, Versions takes a virtual snapshot every step of the way, so you can always refer back to your earlier work. Of course, when you create documents, you often want to share them with a friend nearby. With AirDrop, it's never been easier. Just click on AirDrop, drop the file on the picture of your friend, and AirDrop takes care of the rest. You no longer have to worry about network configuration, and you don't need to keep a USB drive in your pocket. With the new Mail in Lion, we've completely redesigned the experience of email on the Mac that makes scanning your inbox really easy. And with Conversations, you can now effortlessly read a long email thread just by scrolling.
One more amazing thing about Lion is the price. It's just $29.99. In Lion, we're innovating in essential elements of the operating system, things that are very simple to think about, but they actually have profound implications for where the software goes. With new features like gestures, full screen apps, mission control, autosave and versions, Launchpad, and of course the Mac App Store, Lion takes what was already the world's best operating system and makes it even better.